We realised, we were writing songs that were memorable, not because we wanted them to be memorable, but because we had to remember them.
Hi, Johnny from SongWriters Chop Shop here. If you want to write a memorable song, make sure it's easy to remember. Lennon and McCartney had no way to record their songwriting sessions in the early days. They had to recall what they'd written from memory. So it makes sense that they would write stuff that's easy to remember. But that also meant it was easy for the listener to remember. And if it's good enough for two of the greatest songwriters that ever lived, it might be worth a go. We've all come up with ideas that we thought we would remember and then completely forgot them. So what's the obvious answer? Record your idea on your phone? Well, maybe there's a better way, the Lennon and McCartney way. If you want to remember it, make sure it's memorable. Short-term memory can only hold about 4 items comfortably. Maybe that's one of the reasons 3 is a magic number. So simplify your ideas by applying the rule of 3 to rhythm, rhyme, and repetition. For example, keep a melody idea to groups of 3 or 4 notes and use repetition, or strip a lyric idea down to its 3 or 4 essential words and use rhyme to trigger the memory of the next line. Break your rhythms, be it for beats, chords, or melodies, into groups of 3 or 4. If you're new to songwriting, there's a free cheat sheet linked below that can take you from no idea to a finished song. Catch you next time.